Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about the latest phone from Apple, the iPhone 15 Pro. Firstly, the design of the iPhone 15 Pro is stunning. It has a sleek and modern look with a flat-edge design. The phone is available in 5 different colors, including black, white, red, green, and blue. The display on the iPhone 15 Pro is also impressive. It has a Super Retina XDR display with a resolution of 2688 x 1242 pixels. The colors are vibrant, and the contrast is excellent. The phone also has an HDR10 display, which makes the content on the screen look more lifelike. The camera system on the iPhone 15 Pro is also top-notch. It has a triple camera setup on the back, which includes a 12MP ultra-wide camera, a 12MP wide camera, and a 12MP telephoto camera. The camera can zoom up to 30x and has night mode, which allows you to take stunning photos, even in low light conditions. The front-facing camera on the iPhone 15 Pro is also impressive. It has a 12MP camera which can capture stunning photos and videos. The video recording quality is 4000 at 60 frames per second. The iPhone 15 Pro runs on Apple's latest operating system, iOS. It has a powerful A16 Bionic chip, which makes the phone faster and more efficient. The phone also has 5 grams connectivity, which means you can download and upload files faster. In summary, the iPhone 15 Pro is a fantastic phone with an impressive design, stunning display, top-notch camera system, and powerful hardware. It is a great choice for anyone who wants a high-end smartphone.